American High Commission maybe Oba Ghana.
Okay.
Na osu okudware ewo epuno. Asemu mene. Otomu no. No ka se te se o mo hodi eburu no. Afi ejanan pa den te se apa. Pao. Epuni na mu kradom. Mene. Hey, gudu ba na ka se mi se wo yo. Mene e kwati ebu. Say your poison.
Abuja na ona ye dware e wo beach ahodo mu e wo nkrapimpini mantam mu zamu die agyanan. Awre ho nti amanfo time die agyanan to the point that American High Commission anso be die agyanan ni bi. Nti we okoyi asembe na okoka. Sese Ghana de anim guase nko a. Anim guase nko a. Abuja obi agyanan wo de abuja hwade o. Hwade Maye no black and white kakra said be ya for the sake of name binti ensho yema aha but wanga sabe tuma ko online no akoseche for mo ne gu nsuo mu o beach na wanga so ko hu pictures ni bi and videos ne ma yakoso ho enti wo de wa hwe be ma wei na wasa di gobe agu ni yam ama ne yam achenchene pa na na jana ya se kutu na wako ni agu nsuo mu sabi oko jana na agu nsuo mu na obi akodware na wakoti na jana wei ahye na num hwene be ma sensan ho nya asem keto na jana ensan ne beye abushia ne be mampo ena sensan ho sie ne na jana na wakota na ya tunsuom ama obi akoti wura na num ama American High Commission anso be kibe wura na num abushia awere ho sise Ghana de anim guase nko a every blessed de anim guase nko a ono mponi de na apie yo ene Ghana fo tie janan di wo eponi mu de ene sewani anya waka kire abusia aha aya Ashanti Media mo sonfo hina na edusi pokumi ni wadi ahia biom na ene nkomo aye babedi amedi we bedi animo no eye the garage project abusia ebaye na enipa miensa bi videos na mede ba be kire wa ha lady nkan eye Mr. Kusibuafo ono ane di nkomo a obeka American High Commission na asem no Mr. Kusibuafo eye adwuma awa ban ye twa mu no emu na ono epa ho wi a mede papa yensu de ba beto so eye Mr. Yawsebe na wode reports and documentation bi ababonten abuja ye bedi hu nkomo na afa no achi no na mede eye saa guy yensu de ka hono se fa ne Jackson ona wono so eye NDC commentator awo eye nkomo bi e ko so awo Fox FM na nkomo ni nyina the guard project abuja be ye he eba sensa Friday we ba ye no enim sema NDC for aka edifa the guard project $350 million bi e ba ya almost kirim say MPP for ko disika no na o man ko prapra anko ansi Friday na no kwan anko titi nsuo mu wa Accra se de na nke se emfasika ne meye no mo disika no ntina ama Friday ni we aba ama NPP for so be kan bi sika no koreda ho ama atofosin ayiko yiska ni bi da ya de na sika no mo di bi ko ye COVID-19 mo di bi ko ye se de ka ye da ho ana NDC for baby misusu ne binzu kura kire NDC atofosin ba sika ne kura won this beze da ho because opese di ni gina ye ni ade abusian sem na kwa ba na sankofu miensan ya medo mu omu video ba kire wi omu be di sa asem hu nkomo na exposes bi apie firi mu aba enyanto boase ni nkomo no wutie wi a NPP na misusu se sika na so wo nyusu sika nti na ma flood ba ye anase NDC mom ena etwa yentro ena omom pese ombeka no kure wom a kire yen ma flood na ba na afi Mahama his excellency say enko 2 days sanitation national sanitation obianko prapla especially be bia flooding areas na na nipa hotumi kire wo mo no yenko prapra na sa prapra ni mo no sunsem de biripie afiri mo ba sa nkofo miensen me do mo pictures a kire be di sa nkomo no ha enyanto boase pa ne yentie bi ne tie wi a yebe hu ba bia na kure no eda Mr. Kusibuafo sa de nsem be beresa ba tudwa afa ho apart from say obeka sa high commissioner na asem no se me bi asa nso eka ho a ne edi akiri eba enje bre ne ntie sa asem nyina na subscribe channel no wala akia na wa share se de bi nka kan no notification bell ne aboso na e video bia nso batuma nsa betumi aka bi
Greater Accra Resilient Integrated Development Project
them kofa ho yi ba ya de ema me kofa me kopa sa document no e ba ye eye asema Captain Smart me ami nua ketua e kan mechi kufu nanado mechi Dr. Baumia mechi Cecilia Dapa mechi ne deputy adaya World Bank sika omudi sika no so omudi ye adwuma won kan omudi and am copy sa document because na me ya we de omu beye ewo odonu ma nenka de wo say ye ne say eye nsukroji nenka speed boat eye tourist nana ye etumedu ho no eye tourism sites ecotourism nenka enua gu nti no mu tu enkrofo wo odo nanu ho ne eyi bucket na wo ho ni nyina no na wo so mu beautify the entire area ne so no mu tia to the point say utimi dwarim time bi ape speedboat de da so edu obi nam so afri ha kɔ eye a nso na oba na abetena so ho na wote na yi na kyese nenka eye mejo afi de akɔgye ensem ne sɛ aye ball senso no ye de bi so ho bi so kɔ River Jordan mu senso no bi ka ho a yo kɔ eye odo ho enka de dan kan video aso bi de se bi so
me ka mo ma kwan de an Edding me can Donald Trump ama ya be.
Any walking.
American High Commission maybe na oba Ghana.
Okay.
Na oso okudware ewo epunu. Asemu mene. Otomu no. No ka sete se wo mo hodi eburu no. Afi ejanai pa den te say apa pao na mu kradom enia gudu ba na ka se mi se wo yo enia e kwati egu say your poison wo hu bi da na puru na numu iketse na no na yina na yesan de ko san ko back
before no Ghana pe
ma so ba ka fa Ghana ho
oni e wada sipada ne wi asia se
na so wa wi Donald Trump
lana to so
it was say sad we buy ya me copy sad document am say na ninia ketwa smart kwadwo asema wo kan unyina so no de on say assembly se obi ne bibi na kato no so saa
ya
so obi ti say bia honorable sisi adapa de wa fam dada nyina achi no otin ba bi dwi no o saa de bibi saa say kopi no so a ni hwa sa wo hwe adwuma odi wo saa de anu ema saa sika ya ye bobodi na ededam a ye bobo anti e ka Ghana sika ho ye bobo no dwuma a wo di wo mu no onse na meka se de ko ono sanitation ministry no na ho document na eda ho no na ye 65 million na 46.3 million na omo a draw down 46.3 million na omo ayusu 5.1 million for feasibility studies next component no scope first scope no na the second component na 3.2 million but no more use 1.222 million it na 3 million na de ni so eda ho it is a beka de eda ho no ho a na chese de o ma use no ye be 6.3 na ebe 40 million de e wo say ye ho adwuma sa abri na yetime de ye adwuma de oye ho adwuma no as of that time contract ni bi eye J8 plant pool ye ni momu omunya 2 slots e wo ma compactors ni nyema e de e fa ball ne sa nyema no omu na de e buy am ye wo Particularly Limited onto na eye sa waste management center na nka atomic energy ho no
MC Apato project am right na matefo
atomic energy ho de no omo nso na ye e ho fence e ni nyina eti na hwese akoba se enkraifo na ba bi ntubole mu no etwetwe aso kakra bi ko aduma bi ho a ya anto aso anye eti se etwe adwi ba so ne se say ewo ho na ye ho adwuma na ye ga na ye yom ye dey ka kire no
Yes.
because adwuma e wa ba mu say ma men ka no kure kire. I've complained about standalone ministries. Na minister bi o ho ye substantive me deputies ko mo mu wa dia wo yo. Omo mu sa asem bi ama ni ama deputy ni document won ko defend dia. The original here enko input bi en ho a deputy no. Oyawe. Emi kwan say yes sir. Enka wo ministry there e was say we open to o ma wonu deputies ni ade na mo ya adwuma. Na afa aya open to omo maka within the cabinet any other links a ewo ministry a adwuma. Eno sa adwuma na otra wo ministry no enka chief of staff na ye mainly. The chief of staff and the say ye can flooding who asema transport ministry I was say Mubembi I was say roads for Bembi I was say works for Bembi I was say local government Bembi I was say sanitation ye stand alone Mubembi but say local government na omu eye ope omu ka ho nyina we put omu together as a one stop shop omu pe solution to sanya mawi ujai ministry ba ku bia ontimi nye because ne de no ba bia kopem na se kobaso no kura deputy ko ma ni huma how much more other ministers
papa
aminti na ama adwuma no aye den na esa ko ba say after President John Dramani Mahama his excellency do ba be di na de ebetimi aye wey ebetimi chief of staff ebetimi aye wey de na asem no chief of staff and finance minister eni pam yemi edu omu hujinu bia asem because chief of staff to me yambre say ontimi nka obi asem wo any other ministry because ebeka say ompe woni ne o competitor enti asem ba
on person benya ni bibia krampo o election
no
olusu grounds ne nko for so beka cho say wo ha o say wo competitor no on na ne ko print o pe say o wie no kura enti ne nko for so be sore etia o ti chief of staff ne nsa nko ne nine ma on ka obi a ase eyi o pe so oyi nsuo oyi nam fish wo ensuo ma pese bi be ka ne nsa ho no sa bia ntiji se fish no pie ba esuru ba bi na obeda kokko so a na se ko ba so se finance minister so ka ho na nkofo adu itimi yo mi se minister we ya oye effective but se bi fa ne ho not mi ya adwuma ya na ebo anama na bishi no wo no aba eti wo ye ma hwe mfa ho a se sa ne ma ne bema e ma governance e ye den na the end product ye be sofa yen the same ya eyi afa nkrofo yi Minister of Finance and to pull back allocations a core agencies kura ho or swapping ni na back to consolidated you know account two no what ni na akọ ho it is a sika ni aye me ready say e bia fancy bia Zoom lion na ye adwuma it why e wo so mo hwetua Zoom lion ka the first budget no opia ni nyina echo back no super to central one ni no oni nkoyo afei na asemi bae and was say he's getting it back the best say you and na finance adwuma no wo de da ko ebetena ha am match of finance minister board gudu o de da so any baby gudu o wo se ko ba se wo kwa wo di ade na atawani ase a sa nyama we wadwe ku amaso wadwe maso wadwe maso se ya saji koko board nyira koko de asa pi wo so defense kura esa wo ho he no fedi agro na me hosti hardball mama part na KMA chief executive and the late Dr. Akuto say and the deputy finance and no say Tafo MP that day Saturday umbe ye prakrum ha na meti ha ni hosti
prakrum
ana me busa na Dr. Akuto say so na me hosti ana busa so be pay dey krum me nim say weekend so bad dey na obeye den no so be pry or be yesi and am catch ni say sa pra ni say hu say o ma be pra bi mu a ni hu say amemu no ntimi mu hweba ma part time me ti say hu say o mu nyina ja o madwuma so o mu be pra bi mu pa krum ha ni hu say amemu no o mu ntimi mu because ahudidie eye first eka ho first two no security ne eka ho wo de offer 3 a enye den a ahudidie because ensuo fa yen se eno a aferi de doctor Koto no age adam ana me se mi chie mu ni bantima yewo sabre no ya branch simple man do ye art ewo o be call about no so no gira about ha ono etino one eyi kra bemu ena eye adjacent bemu ufu anako ufi kejeti e kwa ufu anako bemu ena me say simple man efa to no so say from gira about to children's hospital kejetia ano ho no wa fa nipa epra ho da bia wo pra no pa epra nwumre otuomuka ono ana ye simple man art na sa dwumadi na no odi no ba bia ni krom ha na ho fa chen sa kejetia to gira about ahonso na nipa fa pa because omu ko fa ka omu fi kejetia ba bant maside nyina ni around you mbefa ka gira about nyina efa from the fa hoba
yes indiana so nyina
indiana si ho nyina but who feel ba kokura say da ho because obia otwa mu ho bia who feel wo ha bibi nka ne say okura bibi on fanto
no yade
obu ho and sadie na oye no ona bo nko eho no nko gina ho nhwe say obi di wura to ho da na because obi ebu ho hu say eho eyede eti enti emma ne kwan say ono so nye bi be nipa na da so ye adwuma no ba ko da ha na ba ko da ha umbe pra no pa na adwuma ma sa aba enti bi bia sa kwan no so na so da ho kama ana mi bubu mu e ka ye de be pra ene wo time a wo ye deputy finance minister enti so o ja adwuma ho e ba ha metimi a quantify sika ga na ahwe so o ja adwuma ho because ye ni badwuma ka betimi aye e be bo
yes
it is all quantify ka o ma ya tutu o mu stores ho eni ade na ni bubu ka bi ama estimation bi say apart from the ekeme na sika o mu dia to ho say eye no musu mu time ama we si amaba no de e wo say ka eni say symbolically yes say ye nyina ye si ho ama ye kusa ahodidie hia eti we ye di wo ye nka ye dum say e free na akuri ye be ye bibie yi ana mi bubu nipa sika o allocate that day from assembly no nipa ebetimi afa wo mu nipa dodo si etu obi aka enei si eka si etu obi aka 3000 cedis bosome na dwuma ne say on 1 kilometer stretch on the praso anopa wasa ahwe so apraso awia ye ma ne 3000 hwe nipa nka betu aba say omu be pesa adwuma na ye buko obi o ye adwuma ba bia ebetimi abaye bi osore anopa papa okubọba nyina papa hese bibia ni ho na wage ne 3000 bosome ebubu ye no na ye de fa nipa enka gugu ebetimi aye ene ono nso de wafa ne se wadwuma ni etu ba ne se wa anye ni a ono ko ntimi nka so onye ni ya won inspector se call round enti sa de ni bisi bia mu pa dia bi wa hu se MPP aban no omu ntimi wu aman no e ka sa de ni ye no efiri wa ana honorable Kojo Barredu late
okay
frame say hey asama wa kan die eho pomasibre eye den ana me say yamfa abrantie na oye sa ade na omo awo pepa so oye yamfa ne nka ho yamfa ya prai na nkofo so mbra mu bi
okay
o betimi ya yes o ma ya fa bi o ma fo mu nipa no ana di July obayo me say July o say me nanka me one of the coordinators me and namempe northern sector me ne gan onukura inspector Bediako
okay
and abitu na sa concept ni baye no obia hu se ekromu ti Zoom Lion start adwuma pa afedie under president for time ekromu ti say wine because the all year adwuma no ye tua ne ka
asemu
eno busa se yesi obia nya na adwuma na akrachefo ne ha se bros ku e beto kra enipa dodo se na beye na omu se wura na omu de begu hen
chese na dey we kra ya
ya bubu kasen lost of man hours, lost of productivity. Say a symbolic say young fancy who say a hundidie ye and yenye say na ayen kayegu but your woman pay Jumaya Mrs. Kay best spending no you know that's 2 days only na ho kaba ubet media fa nipa 10,000
na parliament across
every 2000 bosome how many budget how beti why and then you repeat some force that the same thing why
you miss I must say you actually the kogu hin is here
and say ensuato eyini nyina egu ho omo ekogu wo mfie ye ka chi wo so obia mpra ni fie de o pra ni fie de oni ba bia ko ontimi fa free ho enko Kaswa road so wa Accra Central no okọ Kaswa road o say na me ka eyi a omuye no Ghana Atomic Energy and sa Greater Accra Resilient Integration Development no project no o say me Kaswa mu fence dey do Ghana Atomic it is a hot say omu nsu a na say problem ni say this omu kwa to Kaswa enda ade na esi ewo saa ade enu ma de wo se mu ye ema ye ho hen ha as Ghanaians no yenye aminti se ye we ya wo de mefa ni se ye de aye nka ye du but me am fa me yetua mu da se ya tutu obi a store mu e na obi a store mu woni de ne store ni na djuma e begu obi saa de no
ade we yankasa de
na sika oba lusu no one day e wo ni store no se nka owo papa se on commit me anya 500 na me ya encourage no kura ma ni 550 cedis alfa wa se omu ye be fa omu benya adwuma ye na omu prepra no ono so contribution a ode ka ho ni a se ye ye ni ye no kwan pa so a enipa no be the store ono antu bibi nto animu ono aba contribute kakra because ono okobie ye no wanya afaso etu obetimi de akomapam e de kakra support ama ye ma enipa bi nso a ebe ye omadwuma na omu so anya income two fees o man so fa omu nkran ya se oni aduane ono a ori kitchen ana aduane ku ana bia obi o ha ensuo fa no e de ne kọ ono a ne ma kura school uniform ebi ni ho enti nkura no nko school two fees say ni pano ene ye ma ne konya se ye ma ni 2000 ompra na otwe nemu a enkonye ade ti no sa crash fo nyina na gya ye dwuma ho obia gya di bibia na ebe ye tuamu da se sa ne ebe ye no ya calculate loss of productivity loss of man me see after sa flood we no I was see a regrade ye GDP system ni wura ni e calculate eyi album depreciation album hwakas dudu a ensuo efa koye enka GDP ya kwan na wo ho ani adwi ye se eya kwan papa ensuo beta so a se ombe wie no na ensuo no bete no na kwan na tutu no ya quantify abeti efi GDP I say say blink here say adwuma no
o say na
ya hwa how it will affect insurance ya hwa ni nkobata e wo sa system no mu no ya hwa because e tu sa na mo no as omaya da bia eye otis wey ya ba chi obi say wo ada na wan prabi onim za bi zo mu ya na soja fo no begina baby ni ase ka bi aduru ho then one prebi near you nipa near bubi near yese then if family on free from her Kumasi situation no sana na yo obi ho anya ha no free ofiri baby na eba betwam
akọ baby
obenu ha se ada na ya prana one prebi na soja for the need chese oni nsam nwomunan ni wa se fa ni mesi krom ha se fa ni pa 1000 1000 ni e ka se be mo bia ba me
nana
ya mo bia 1000 cedis busome enko bet bia ye
you for 1000 people
ai ya mo bia ya mo bia 3000
okay
times 1000
okay then 300,000
times 1000 about 3000 times 1000
say 300,000 and I some about
ebe 3 million
yeah oh yeah 3 million sorry
3 million cedis si e fa bi pa 1000 ni e si e pese yen ya bibi bua wo mu
guy
mo makro no mu nte ya chama du so 1 kilometer bia ba ko ada mi du da so o ma bro so kra ba bia ko district aka 1000 obi aye ma no 3000 cedis
enti na enti we sa 3 million anka about a bit here na assembly
enya sika na ewo sa you know ewo mo 10% na what district no
10%
eno no wom na wow offenders
okay
penalty
that's ya chichi bin ba
for offenders eno kura betuma finance na na so atome de na se
na wo ye ni a omu a ewo se nko mu jai ebe credit say owo store owo lori they can also contribute
yeah it's true
na me store dey bia let me agree
ya prani mu
na dey bia ya prani mu na se boso me me 50 cedis plan to a me dey bet wo ada no menye
and to no kwa obre tokenism na fe why introduce the sin fines
yeah
ela edie na ade yi se wo se nipa 1 million empia bonte me pra e che so praye 1 million na say bia 10% of it 100,000 answer no bia benya bia odi ye bibia mu ohunu na de praye be 10,000 na say 1 million ba na de ba ku na ye adwuma for nipa 10 kra na de praye be 10,000 e ba fa compare wa fa nipa be say 200 ni wa mo bia praye no ye adwuma dia na babu ye ka
na no na ye de one is of problem I'm see me be sound specifically say common fund do say na desaka kan ni bo ba ye nyina so we have 30 million
Ghana cedis
nti no de yem fan be 25 na because nyum ya benya pepe de yem fan be 25 averagely Mr. Bafom na so bia pay 25 million na say bia quarterly bia no 10% for sanitation ti anke if you be me yen
senior sebe kasembi
yeah
no say o chastise MPP for no government no mama part mo say omu no de sa pra dwumadi ni be si e kon ho bi mu a in fact oba criticize omu dem more and in fact they call back we are president Mahama kan ye no or specify and say flood affected regions and yeah sa clean up no
ti ha kranka
but also flood affected regions so you pena you say baby ni be ya fine but so we greater Accra be amu ya me nyini say the mark clean regions no kwa betimi aye because there ni nyina peja da sub major mesu afro akodu ceiling level the debris na ebeka no say mamuni nyina ni wo mo tipotemu afom ho anyimu a that clean up no ebe ye den
the one no define obey cleaning
that is
citizens no bet me aye equipment be no mo dey
and you want deploy military so want declare say a state of emergency
no and I'm sure that nti yenhwe ada eya ye be ya e be ma sa clean up because we need to clean the city. Yes, I yare ni ade a na no interview.
You are right.
What you say? Nti we here say a state of emergency na that call the bar. Me we say no say JJ Wallace maybe yeah na me videos bi yeah friend say koko ni ade nyana manfo no twi manfo ni nyina kan military officer ni na kan yes na we line na manfo ni nyina ejimu bi ni peja nade no because at that time we needed that enu bi na sin dey you see a clean the environment ultimate what the ma clean agencies kura na obi a piano fie de aba abonten na be abonten fa na ekro nti we ye wa e can say force major national disaster be na SC ti ye nyina ye mra out na ye let try ye best probably ye cleaning ye do so ti ye a se so no to a debris na aka system no so no betimi a wash ni nyina away. So
I think let's clean. We didn't start well as a nation.
Yes, that's it.
Because look at the various assemblies in even Commander Kumasi Metro. The component of common fund the same function that area now. Meaning said the city.
It's a make us say the baby no so.
Okay.
Ti sa corner President Mahama edi abanade. We so in good faith. Na yen try. Ye na so ni sa to bi mu abi na be blessing in disguise na pia ya kan ni na edeko say ya so ni ati ko bupum okay o say ya ti wura ni nyina ni ati ti wura ni nyina kugu ba bia na afi aka teche ni ade na nsuo to na hohoro ko mu beda ho kakra ye benya relief kakra. So let's plan and let's work towards it.
But I don't if you know, it's an asset and a raw material for development. Yakobo work up will be Brazil. Some kind. Ghana for Koya, yes, Shorty. Aye. And Ghana will be Mimbo Didier. Answer Ukum Wanwa, O fasten. And then we buy more the toilet. And on a year, the gas, or Ghana for no be a and not Bofurono, and it's Ania Mano, one more sport to the Bagana beton. And not Bofuro toilet in a room. And on one year at degenerative power at the a whole town and the gas school be created. In Jadatina. Ajana kura ya mfa generate gas. Kono fo nyina mo ajana entimi generate gas ma kono fo nyina. Kumasi fo nyina ajana enye asset.
Sa o creativity ni ma we nyina ni e do sumo ma yeye. When na ka uja na NDC ba na ka de ma ya. Wodi ni na come people no ma share no kwa. Wodi ka ni ni na si e ba power na wo bo fa
me dey me say mo nfa.
Ni so dey be share wo na mi e.
Ni esi mura ya de boni ana.
Pia ma mo fa se mu kakra si na time ni won ti no. Na bi abon fa ti fo ti no. Ni bi say when we say make cars and be wa say your KPIs no very important. That agency and also authority na ebe say evaluation monitoring evaluation authority no. Nanka chief of staff and the chairman wo. Oh say who be here me. Chief of staff na chairman wo. Etinka one abia be ne say chief of staff and finance minister they don't join the political race. Because the moment I be join the panel, will be a suspicious of person born the mafia.
And I think it is happening.
Only architecture for succession plan. That is the problem of Ghana. Political parties don't have an architecture for succession planning for political development or political parties. And any government, I feel so there is confusion between the government and the party.
We'll get there. But the main thing here can say chief of staff be head of the monitoring evaluation. When you never catch a president say we monoma.
No also. It's about for so on the enemy.
Yes.
The poma.
It's yes sir. So me I think that going forward, you have quite been him. Nah, yes sir authority no, not chief of staff and then the head of it. And you now be presenting o performance na key performing indicators you the bubu ni wie no failure no na apam the records speaks for itself. your pass mark and your performance will speak for you whether you be retained or not.
All right.
Me know and can ye kasa dada day project ni me we say ye nyina yi e won say ye ni pa nyina na ba politics so mo beso some came to make money into a bar na ji she nyina e ko be fa so be nyaska eti by 1 year time now to adedi u KPIs ni so wom party madodo say na wetimi able to omo in your district tikiama contract na e party ma ye betimi able do omo capacity. And may I NDC for your abemo, you move to say, friend NDC is quite on fire. And you may know about me, I had our creativity, or friend now, one fire. Whatever my want to see me is I intend to do on the catch out your bedroom, my dear, who call 1 year. 1.5 years now, control the report in court. Me verify that is how our party makes Yama grassroots and Yaji and our new Accra. And you may be saying, sir, contract, you may be saying, party for what capacity, young family, and a party, a human, a dear man, it's what I had the na party na coswat now, and you want to read any beer or the Arafa. What you say? Say, you say, I'm going to be saying, may yen to the best of my ability and to the best of the requirements. Now, my party and yen,
okay, sir, party. You are losing public conscience.
Okay.
To always, okay, sir, so mention be now or prefer party no. Put first year. You are losing public conscience. And to one here, a top maybe a party see a party no more. You won't get public sympathy. And that is why you may lose an election.
Maybe you want to.
The party will get credit eventually.
It's young from a bit in yet. Now, young son, build an all cast succession plan. One will be the enemy. Young co opposition and some cause restless cower bonting being. Let's have our party people well built. Let's have our party people well built in all aspects. Now we now so and we now want to ultimate the innovation eba. It's a problems here we say according to opinion report or the my of CCA efa garage project was say ejumane store kakra e hotel e was time COVID buy no COVID buy for me for say 1 year by September na na for the PM so October we dey need to go ejuma me bisa say if we samre na dey we agent so agent no if we 2020 before the election but 2024 it's a human percentage ben yetimi do here ya kasi ye chirama the next government in waiting dey no so ya fa and we say say human because say project no you secure bibia ya plan project in bia 2018 we are draw down 2020 where the amount contract na say COVID some aspects of penny kusibu Africa no will be halted kakra COVID chair mu no 3 years no 4 years because COVID na election year within your first term office it's 2021 2022 2023 2024 Ejuma ben MPP here was at the end of it.
All right, thank you, Midas.
Now, they are just supposed to the percentage of work done. And some have NDC by 15 months or 16 months in me. And then you say, "I found near who you walk by my last."
President Mahama, what you say? Chief of Staff in the name. The Chief of Staff. One headmaster.
Yeah.
Who do I president? The headmaster of governance on
the chief of staff.
On the chief of staff. On the was what you say finance ministry on so independent board there may say so I say I draw sika down. So you draw down on see into your contractors. You draw down from World Bank crown. You still need the approval of the Minister of Finance. And so what me source
at this person
with second scan what you say into World Bank in there where retail bill now have seen says there are only best amounts and no attractive interest
Okay.
The year disburse aba no na percentage bi odi etuatua o mo ka no and no be attract interest the what disburse aba ni nyina so be attract interest.
Okay.
COVID there no so be COVID there no was considered to be interest free, around that time it was converted to say na me ho engine America system na your reclassification.
Okay.
And tell me my year project coordinator maybe that for almost 7 years intimate so dey we nyina no me dey nyina ba me senior minister no me nyina ye hwebi.
Okay.
And this ade we say no nyina ni hu say ade no ewo ho no eduru ho no na wo say your environment na baby because COVID the person baby I will can say or don't money activities be enko nipa no kura kutu na free baby I was na COVID the person na wutu no ayen won fa bi mu anya say wutu no say onko one say this
the project no say kakra that time
the project technically the project came to a halt even though on paper no there na commitment
it is done. Okay.
But na actual into my contractors no be here there but there were areas be na here in there bebre hot to kakra and wo musan e be resume here after to o resume awie no amount no ye unya ye dia ma wo no ya draw no down and there was a wo na no na mine oh yes evaluation ne sas certifications and this any many nyina de aba e ho na process no enti na parliament no rom so mo abe correct mo akọji documents no ahwe and that is why the other time I told you the parliament wo mo ye adwuma ben now I've seen that they are setting up now I feel omo ani da ho sa na ye adwuma enso no de say the mehu no enyenya yi sese beto akwanimu enti
you say boy ho
ya mwa ya hunsi ho.
Okay.
Ai. Afina India de no kura no. Esan be kan ho baba bedru ha. And e cost 79.
Yeah, 79.
All of in a bed diesel tender store. Monsoon no ba. Oba be kan tropical monster no. E wo ha se. Am wo san increase no. Inti de beto achiri no. Minsura emu be ya dinasene.
The experiences
since you know Nigeria, Togo, Benin, Ghana, Côte d'Ivoire, Sierra Leone, Liberia. If you know one abedi, and I pay kakra to the north. I know they are better to Mako. And I answer Hano, middle better no so better to Mako. But then yet Kikino, Teddy and Candiano, a Bikunkumbomono. But the free India monsoon where Becca or not there. Meaning a beba heavy. No dear, I was here as a beba heavy. Na peja konof.
Okay.
Nti ye bibia yenya ye na apra no so no. Nana yensha se o de apra de. Obi ka se yenya ye at least yenkere ye man se ahonidie eye. So amfum so de nipa obetumi ayemfum so. But when you sit in your mistake for a very long time, we don't call it a mistake again. We call it stupidity.
Deliberate action.
Yes. But who say na yeah. Obi anso kre asempa. That is public conscience. So, me ba no nagala me say be mre ni so ntam so bi o kan ya ni nipa ka say galam say there a national issue. I make a out what is national issue?
Honorable member of parliament for
national issue is not MPP NDC. National issue is a problem and opportunities. And you are their friend on national issue. And NDC ni MPP as a mo. National issue no problems wom. National issue no opportunities wom. Natural resources opportunities wom. At the same time problems also ye then. Security opportunity wom problems wom. Entini ekika ni nyina mbom no wa chiche mwa to responsibility. Responsibility ni ntini yatum aban ho yato abama aban ho ntesa aban ho ni mfaso ho na ye be chiche mu dia ma aban no ntini ne yakosa la to aban ho what chiche into response now who will be responsible to handle this national issue ara na ka wo de wunu ma wo adwin no tri entinka ntimi ni ho so but ye responsible persons say wo mo ne ento aban ye head anyi won na wɔn a bɛyɛ ku yɛde ahɛ wɔn nsa da ɛna yɛsɛ yɛde yɛpɛ democracy nti yɛhyɛ dɛ twɛ sika kɔto aba kama yɛ mini ase ɔnabɔ kopoku ebi akwan bi ɔbɛba nyɛ saa ɔbɛba a waka ho asɛm dɛdɛ eti wo ba ɔba no ɛyɛ responsibility ni yɛde ma no eti si eyi sɛ woyɛ aban ti nam si yɛto aban ma aban a yɛama responsibility o wɔn mɛ kotutu bɔ paada gu wɔn ho no yɛ na yɛ mesere o eti mi ni adeɛ wɔka no wɔn papa no asɛm na wɔn pɛ de ato no so it is called a responsibility.
mɛsa mo fi mi na se maame ma Jackson rɛ.
ɛkyɛ ayɛ bɛ sa nka ko asɛm so
Jackson.
Minia.
Brim na yɛnkɔ.
Yo.